Mrs. Margaret, a dignified woman in her mid-70s, walked gingerly into Dr. Thompson's office. She was plagued by a nuisance that had persisted for months, a fungal infection in her toenails that caused them to thicken and turn a disconcerting shade of yellow. Determined to find relief, Mrs. Margaret hoped that Dr. Thompson, renowned for his expertise in dermatology, could provide the remedy she so desperately needed. As she settled into the patient chair, Mrs. Margaret recounted the progression of her ailment. "It started with just a small spot," she explained, "but over time, it spread, and now I'm embarrassed even to wear open-toed shoes." Her demeanor was as gracious as ever, yet there was no denying the frustration laced within her voice. Dr. Thompson, having listened intently, nodded appreciatively at her candidness. With a calm and reassuring tone, he responded, "Fungal infections in nails, known medically as onychomycosis, can indeed be quite persistent. However, we do have treatments that are effective." He clicked through her medical history briefly on his tablet and then leaned forward, making sure to address her directly. "I would recommend Kerassentials Remedy. It's a topical treatment that has shown considerable success in treating such infections." Mrs. Margaret looked somewhat relieved, but still curious. "How long will it take for the medicine to make my nails healthy again?" she inquired. Understanding her eagerness for results, Dr. Thompson replied, "Patience is key with fungal infections. While some patients see improvements within weeks, it may take several months for the nails to regain their natural appearance. It's also crucial to apply the treatment consistently as prescribed." Equipped with a prescription for Kerassentials and fortified by Dr. Thompson's encouragement, Mrs. Margaret left the clinic with a newfound hope. She was ready to embark on her path to recovery, with the knowledge that persistence would be her greatest ally. Her visit, though driven by a minor yet exasperating issue, was a reminder of the critical role healthcare professionals play in the lives of their patients, guiding them through even the most seemingly trivial challenges with expertise and compassion.